G'day, I'm Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty in Hervey Bay. We're here today at potentially your new dream home site, and you've even got a shed to get started. 15 schooner rise in the popular estate of Turtle Cove at River Heads. As usual, you've really got to take to the air to appreciate this location. Let's go up and take a look around. Don't miss this opportunity to secure your piece of paradise in the popular bayside estate of Turtle Cove at River Heads. Keen anglers will note that the River Heads boat ramp and pontoon are only minutes away, which is the gateway to accessing the Great Sandy Straits, K'gari, Fraser Island, and the Mary and Susan rivers, which are a boating, fishing, prawning and crabbing paradise. You will enjoy the lifestyle that comes with having local convenience stores and cafes nearby, plus Hervey Bay's essential amenities just a short drive away, including the airport, shopping centre, hospitals, the golf course, the beautiful esplanade, cafes, restaurants and the beach. 15 Schooner Rise River Heads does feature an elevated 2,000 square metre allotment offering those panoramic sea views across the Great Sandy Straits to K'gari, Fraser Island. And you've already got that fantastic 8 by 6 metre double bay shed with power and water connected, plus a quarter length mezzanine storage floor, TV antenna connection point, and a 4 metre awning to one side, plus that 6 metre awning to the front. To the rear of the shed, you've got a large 3.3 by 3.3 metre garden shed with a louver door and window. You'll also note there's a selection of established fruit trees, and you've got high-speed NBN at the curb. This really is an outstanding opportunity ready and waiting for your new home. This fantastic block really does offer panoramic sea views depending on your home design, and you've already got that fantastic shed to get started. Blocks offering these features are always in high demand, so don't miss this opportunity. Call me now. Scott Mitchell from Mitchell's Realty. You'll only be disappointed if you miss this one.